everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra and I'm a nurse practitioner, and today I'm going to show you how to put on compression socks using a pair of rubber grip gloves. So as many of you already know, putting on compression socks can be a struggle because they are quite snug on the leg and it's just a lot of work sometimes to pull them up. So this method is particularly useful for anyone who has weakness in their fingers or hands, for anyone who has arthritis in their hands, or you just find it really difficult to move the sock up. This method using the rubber gloves may help to get your compression socks on more easily. So you want to pick up a pair of rubber gloves that have good grip to them. Often you can find them at a hardware store or in the gardening section or automotive section. And the important thing is to make sure they have good grip to them. Some rubber gloves are not very grippy, so you really have to feel and make sure they have that like sticky grip to them. I noticed on some of the packages they would say non-slip, and those gloves had a better grip. I picked this pair up at the Dollar Tree, and actually this pair seemed to have the best grip out of all the stores I went to look for a pair of gloves. And so yeah, the Dollar Tree had a good pair, and they seem to work pretty well for getting on compression socks. And so it's the grip of the gloves that's going to help you pull the compression socks up the leg. There are specific rubber gloves you can buy as well that are specifically designed to put on compression socks. And when I checked online, those were in the $5 to $10 range. Okay, so what you're going to do is take the compression sock, slide it onto the foot as much as you can before you get resistance. I find that when you do the inversion method that I show in another video, it tends to get a little stuck working it up using the rubber gloves. And so I just find that it's easier to slide it on like this and get it up as much as you can before you start using the gloves. So next you're going to put on the rubber gloves. And these are a little big on me, but that's okay because you don't need a very fine grip to do this. You're mostly going to be using the palm of the hand here to grip that sock and work it up. And so just get a firm grip on it and start rolling it up. And as it bunches up, I would recommend smoothing that out as you go because that will become more difficult if you let it keep bunching up. So just smooth it out and then work some more of the sock up. And the fabric is just going to slide in small little increments. So as you can see, I'm just using the surface of the glove. I'm not grasping or pinching. And this is also good to extend the life of the compression socks because it will prevent you from grabbing in certain areas and causing runs or snagging. And I'll just take these off to smooth out the top here. And there you go. That's how you use rubber gloves to put on compression socks. All right, you guys, so I hope this method of using rubber gloves to put on compression socks helps you if you've been struggling to get your compression socks on. Let me know in the comments if you try using rubber gloves and there's an improvement. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get all my new videos. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.